Hello. Welcome you guys to another teaching vlogs. So how are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. My name is Eso Chak, or you call me Chika. I am streaming live from Melbourne, Australia, Victoria. I'm a mom of two, a disability support worker, an ongoing nurse, and a franchise to Juice Plus company, which our goal and mission is to inspire healthy living all over the globe. So today I'm outside enjoying my cool breeze as I want to warm my car. Yes, I just said let me just chit chit chat with you guys. You know I love you so much. Thanks for your subscriptions, for your support, for your love in this my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for viewing my channel. So I'm streaming live from Melbourne, Victoria, Australia precisely. So today I just want to talk about opportunity. Yes. So a lot of us used to have opportunity in our lives, but sometimes we misuse it. So please, after watching this my video, utilize every opportunity that you comes across your way, because opportunity comes but once. Okay? And Bible made me to understand in Deuteronomy 8 verse 18 that God has given us power to make wealth and to be successful. So it's in your hands to become whatever thing that you want to become. Yes, God has given us that mandate. So you have the choice to choose the path that you want. So I just want that path of success for you watching me. So that's why I'm speaking on this topic, opportunity. What do I mean by opportunity? Opportunity is a set of circumstances that make it possible for you to do something. Yes, and opportunity they say comes but once. So it's good for you to utilize any opportunity that you see. Most of us living in diaspora here that came here, that we like somebody like me, I value opportunity. Honestly, there are some certain things, some certain skills I learned back home in Africa, which is helping me a lot in this diaspora. Like I learned how to make beats. So now I cannot buy beats in the market. I do my DIY homemade beats. If I want to still do the one that I can sell in Amazon, it's up to me what I want. But my DIY, my homemade beats, I don't give anybody money to do it for me. So that's what I call opportunity. Okay, so I will still tell you some of the opportunities that I lost back home. I lost the opportunity of like driving. um that time I have a car and I don't take it serious the way I'm taking it serious here, because here I am paying money to learn how to drive. But back home I see a lot of people that are even begging me to for them to train me on how to drive. Okay, so that's what I'm telling. I'm saying about opportunity. It comes but once. So sometimes I blame myself. Why didn't I utilize that opportunity? And I'm spending money learning how to drive here. So that's what I'm saying. So whenever you see an opportunity to do anything in life, please grab it and utilize it effectively. It may not be useful for you at that particular time, but in the long or short run, as far as you run this race, as far as you live, you will know the value of what you lost. Okay, another opportunity that I am missing so much is learning how to sew fabrics. Yes, though that time back home I was so occupied with my business. Yes, I won't say that I didn't utilize my time. I utilized my time, but there's some certain things I could have achieved back home. So if you are the one watching me right now, viewing me, wherever time friend zone you are watching me, are you watching me in diaspora here, are you watching me in Africa or any continent of the world, please, I'm begging you after watching this video to make good use, wise use of your opportunity. Okay, so there's some certain things I researched about opportunity. So which some few tips I might tell you that can help you with the one you have. If you are not doing anything now, you need to wake up. Yes, you need to wake up and do something. Lay your hands to do something. If you are that kind of a person, you don't know what to do, you can still align yourself. Look for job. If job is not coming, you can help yourself by investing in your studies. Yes, you can be able to enroll yourself in higher learning, which even myself now I'm still ongoing training in different areas. So it's very, very good. Even in this YouTube channel, I utilize the opportunity that we use in the pandemic period. That time I was at home nursing my baby. I use it to go for YouTube training. Now I'm a YouTuber. So that's what we are talking about here, utilizing of the opportunity. So we are in 2021 now. So if you are not doing anything now, you need to rise up and wake up, because God has promised us that He will do something for us. He will bless every labor of our hands. So if God wants to assess you or want to bless you, what is He gonna see that He will bless? So that's what we are talking about here. Try to do something. Even if you don't see a work, try to learn trade, try to learn skills. There's a lot of opportunity everywhere. Try to make to invest yourself, or to enroll in any kind of online business, or to be a anything. There are opportunities anywhere that you can even make or work from home. Yes, even if you are not really, you don't know how to go about it, you can go for trainings so that you can upgrade yourself and find something for yourself doing, so that when you pray to God, God will see an evidence of what to bless. All right, not just staying and saying, God bless me. Faith without work is dead. So your faith is that your work that you are doing, and then with faith is with the help of God, then equal to success, equal to testimony, equal to great results. Yes, so for God to bless you, He wishes us to be in good health. He wishes our soul to prosper, but He still wants you to engage yourself in something. So anytime you see opportunity for something, please, even in all this online business that you see online, people are talking about marketing business, marketing opportunity, and most especially whatever thing that you want to lay your hands to do, please, it's good to be able to involve God into it. Have passion for what you are doing. Yes, have passion, because sometimes you might have a drawback. Sometimes you might have challenges in that thing that you're doing. So that's why having passionate for what you're doing is very, very important, because whatever thing that you don't have passion for, if you go through life challenge or you have a drawback, you can quit on it because there is no passion on it. But if you have passion for whatever thing that you are doing, and even if you have a drawback or you have a challenge on it, yes, you believe in yourself and still work more harder more, because that opportunity and that challenge and that drawback is taking you to your next levels. Yes, it will help to make you more. So even if you find yourself while doing something that you love, you are on the floor, dust yourself and stand up and continue with whatever thing you are doing, because you have passion. There is light in that tunnel on what you are doing. So what I'm trying to share under this opportunity teaching is what I use and what I am benefiting and what I'm still working towards. Okay, so that's what we are here. I'm here to inspire you. That is why my channel is basically on empowerment, on teaching tips, on health tips, on vlogs, on lifestyle, whatsoever that will be beneficial to my viewers all over the world. So please, I encourage you to do something. There is that skill that God has deposited into you. So it's now left for you to activate it. Pray about it, work towards it, activate it, and you see your success. Okay. So another thing I still want to pinpoint for you is that when opportunity or success or opportunity calls for you, and there is giant on your way, expect giants, expect drawback, expect challenges. But if you are persistent and you are passionate and you are working towards your goal without looking at anybody, knowing where you are going, finally that you will see that your challenges on the floor, and you step on it and keep rising. So that's what you are talking about here. So finally, at the end of the day, when you see that your light in the tunnel, or you see that you have overcome all those your challenge, please, I am begging you, don't forget that your maker, don't forget that your God, don't forget to have a heart of gratitude, to thank that your God that have placed you in that position continually, because without him you cannot have that success for you. And don't feel that in any opportunity, or any opportunity to find yourself, even if you have rise, please don't forget those that started with you. Don't forget those that are still struggling. Don't forget to use your testimony to change life. Don't forget to use your own testimony to encourage lives. All right, that is why service to humanity is the best work of life. If you are not humble, if you are not passionate, if you are not that kind of a person that is humble, that carries humility on you, when you rise there, pride will not even allow you to be able to view the people on the floor, people that are on that same position that you find yourself when you were on the floor. So that's what we are talking about here. Be thankful when you see yourself after passing through the challenges, after passing through the trials, and you pass the test. Please try to be thankful to that God that gave you that opportunity to rise, and be able to use that opportunity that you used to rise to help others. Okay, because when you're helping others, you are expanding the kingdom. When you're helping others, you are growing more and more, and your blessings will be more and more. So, my brothers and my sisters, that's what brought me here. I just wanted to warm my car. Yes, I just said, let me use that opportunity to talk to you guys concerning utilizing your opportunity. So, I'm wishing you happy Valentine in advance, and I hope that you guys will enjoy yourself. But most especially, use this opportunity of Valentine to show love, most especially to the less privileged. Okay, for those that don't have anything, for those that are passing through one obstacle or the other, most especially in this challenging period, pray for them, encourage them, be a light to others, be a savior to others. You have been called for a purpose to transform life. Your voice can be a change, your voice can be a blessing to others. So that's why I'm here, and hope you guys are staying safe, being happy, glowing, and doing whatever that will bring glory to your God. Okay, thanks for watching me. I love you guys. Please don't fail to share, subscribe, hit on the notification icon button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I love you guys. Bye.